In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce image size using Adobe Photoshop, a crucial skill especially when managing storage or uploading images online with size constraints. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once it's running smoothly, the first thing you need to do is add your image. To do this, simply navigate to the File menu in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Open, and a dialog box will pop up. From here, you can search through your files and select the image you want to resize. Select it and click Open, and your image will appear in the workspace ready for editing. Next, we need to prepare the image for exporting. Go back to the File menu and click on it again. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to move your mouse down to Export. As you hover over it, another menu will appear. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Save for Web Legacy. Click on this option. What this does is open up an interface that lets you compress and optimize your image for its new file size. Now in the Save for Web dialog box, you will see several options on the right side. Here we focus on quality and format because the goal is to reduce the image size. Locate the field labeled preset. It's the topmost drop-down on the right. Right now it may show as something like unnamed or GIF 128 dithered depending on your last settings. Click on it and find JPEG. Next, change the quality to low. This adjustment reduces the file size significantly. While low is the setting we're choosing, you can experiment with medium or other higher quality settings if needed, depending on your requirement for image clarity versus file size. After setting the file type and quality, you can see the projected file size at the bottom left. This helps you gauge if the size meets your requirements. Click the Save button at the bottom. A new window will pop up for you to choose the destination folder for the image, select the location, give it a suitable name, and hit Save. And just like that, you've reduced your image size from megabytes to kilobytes. Remember, image compression might affect the quality, so always find a balance that suits your needs. Using this method can vary depending on your image content. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.